Ups! Huwag ka muna mag-scroll. Balak mo bang mag-relax while in Hanoi? Watch and save this video.
We're Toph and McCoy from the Biik Adventures. We post travel contents and travel tips. Ready ka na ba sa day 3 in Hanoi? Tara na!
First stop is Nonla Healing Spa. Nagpa-head spa kami for 90 minutes. We chose Combo 2, which is may scalp massage, hair wash, neck and back massage, and relaxing treatments. Parang nire-reboot yung utak and pagkatao mo. All for 650,000 dong. Sobrang sulit after long walks. Pwedeng walk-in pero mas okay if you book in advance.
After the massage, coffee time muna sa Kapap Coffee. Super cozy, aesthetic, and tahimik dito. Perfect pang chill at pang IG pictures. We ordered avocado at sugarcane americano. Legit na refreshing at unique yung lasa.
Nag-dinner naman kami sa Bunbunambo. Local fave to. We ordered the popular Bunbunambo or beef noodle salad for 75,000 dong. Gaaktan to walk back or herbal black chicken stew for 100,000 dong. And lastly, the fried pork roll for 60,000 dong. Comfort food na swak sa budget na tsak magugustuhan nyo.
Last stop is Cold Bear Cafe. Unique dito, o-order ka sa machine na may kamay ng bear. Then pag ready na yung drink mo, ilalabas na lang yung drink mo sa hole. Every drink may free mason jar at bear plushie. All for 40,000 dong lang. Panalo to!
So ayun mga biik, that's day 3 of our Hanoi adventure. Relax lang and chill. If you want this kind of adventure, don't forget to follow, like, and share the Biik Adventures. See you on day 4!